You know what? As a student, I was never fond of reading. अरे भाई कोर्स की जो बुक्स हैं वही खत्म हो जाए बहुत बड़ी बात है. किसके पास टाइम रखा है एक्स्ट्रा बुक्स पढ़ने का? दैट काइंड ऑफ मेंटालिटी वाज देयर दैट the course books are sufficiently sucking up my brain. I don't have time to read other books. Please, no. As a student, I was very reluctant in reading anything else apart from my textbooks because I was not very fond of reading. But then my life suddenly changed by reading certain books. And then the momentum got on and on and on and on, and I never looked back. And I realized that these self-help books, which people always talk about, but we are reluctant to really incorporate them, inculcate them in our life, they really change your life. So guys, I have a number of books that are there in my shelf, which I feel that they have really contributed a lot in changing me as a person, changing me as an individual, changing me as a professional, changing me as who I was 5 years back and who am I now. I have a plethora of books like this in my shelf. Out of those plethora of books, I'm going to suggest 3 important books for all of you. I know December 2023 attempt has just ended, and now you have some time to give yourself. I know you must be preparing for the next group, for the next attempt. I know that, but still guys, you can devote some time of the day, half an hour a day, 15 minutes a day, 45 minutes a day. You can devote some time of the day in reading these books and just see for yourself how miraculously your world is going to change, how miraculously your mind is going to change after reading these books. So 3 books that I will suggest to all the CMA students, and why only CMA students, all the students of the country who are studying any syllabus, be it science, arts, commerce, anything, they should read, they must read to change their perspective towards life, towards economy, towards money, towards communication. Are these 3 books, and top of my priority list, number 1 will be Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is going to teach you what are your real assets. So if you think that I own a bungalow and it's my asset, no, it's not your asset. Rich Dad and Poor Dad is going to actually teach you what do you mean by asset in life, what are the financial assets, and what are actually the assets that are going to contribute in your success in your future. This is actually going to change your mind towards money, change your mind towards accumulation of wealth entirely in a very, very positive way. This book really helped me out in my teens. I read this book in my teens. It really helped me out. It completely changed my perspective of what wealth means, what money means for a person. This book is top of my recommendation list for all of you. Book number 2, and yes, I would say and I would definitely recommend that this book is going to change your life for better. This book is going to change your attitude entirely. Name of the book is Attitude is Everything, and it's written by Jeff Keller. This book is going to teach you how you should lead your life to attract abundance in your life. And I've talked about this, and many CMA Final students have also talked about this phenomenon of manifestation. This book is going to tell you how to think, and just by thinking you can change your life and make big differences in your life. Attitude is everything. Your positive attitude is going to lead you to positive roles. Your negative attitude is going to lead you to negative roles. So Attitude is Everything is the second book on my bucket list, which I would recommend for all of you. Third book is Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking. Now, speaking or communicating is one of the essential elements, one of the essential skills that everyone needs in today's world. I'm not talking about speaking in English, guys. No. Speaking effectiveness is not about speaking in English. English is just a language. Even if you are speaking in Hindi, how to make your speech effective, how to make audience listen to your speech, that is the quality that this book is going to teach all of you. Guys, you'll be facing interviews shortly. You'll be facing group discussions shortly. You'll be facing personal interviews and sort of discussions in your future jobs or your current jobs shortly. You'll be discussing your appraisals with your boss shortly. You'll be discussing your appraisals, your juniors appraisals with your junior shortly. All these communicating techniques, how to be effective in your communication, that is what this book is going to teach you by Dale Carnegie. The quick and easy way to effective speaking. Amazing book that if you read is definitely going to contribute to how you speak, how you communicate, and how you become an effective speaker. So yes, CMA studies are definitely an important part of your life, but how to grow yourself as a person, how to grow yourself as a individual, as a human being is also important. So we need to balance out in these two aspects. I'm not demanding much, guys. I'm just demanding maybe half an hour a day. Each book, if you just start with 1, 2, and 3, finish one, then start with second and third, half an hour a day, and you're going to achieve amazing improvement in your personality. Of course, initial part will be boring. तो बोर हो गए सर, बुक ही नहीं, नींद आ रही है सर पढ़ते पढ़ते, पहले 2 पेज पढ़े सो गए. Initially it will be tough because you are not in a habit of reading self-help books. You are in a habit of reading curriculum books. Initially it will be tough, but go on, read 1 page, read 1 line, read 1 word, but don't forget reading every day and see the change in your life. And if you read all these books, then please comment me in the comment section below and I'll recommend you more books. Okay, and if you've already read any of these books, give your best book in the comment section below and I'll suggest those book to the students as well. So yes, that's all for this particular video, guys. I'll be coming up with more such treasures and diamonds and golden things that I have in my kitty for all of you to flourish your career, to flourish you as a person, to flourish you as a individual. I'll definitely sharing it with all of you. Till that time, all the very best and happy studying.